are going to love the 2020 Ram 2500. Ram 2500 is the 2010 Truck of the Year winner. It's the hardest working truck in tow business. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, Sirius satellite radio, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, rear view camera, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel, passenger vanity mirror, speed control, 4-piece floor mat set. Come take a test drive today.